Mixed method research is a research design or methodology in which the researcher collects, analyzes, and mixes both quantitative and qualitative data in a single study. A multi-method is different from mixed method design since it involves quantitative and qualitative projects that are relatively complete on their own and then used together to form essential components of one research program. Key characteristics of mixed method design include rationale for the design, collecting both quantitative and qualitative data. Priority can be given to a qualitative component or quantitative or to both equally. Data may be collected concurrently or sequentially. Data analysis matched to the design. And finally, integration of findings and drawing of inferences. There are several types of mixed method design, including the convergent parallel design, when the researcher collects and analyzes both qualitative and quantitative data during the same phase of the research process and then merges the results into an overall interpretation. The purpose of this study design is to obtain different but complementary data on the same topic. In the explanatory sequential design, quantitative component is followed by the qualitative, and the purpose of this study is to explain quantitative results using qualitative data. In the exploratory sequential design, the qualitative component is followed by the quantitative, and the purpose of this study design is to explore, develop, or test an instrument or a conceptual framework. And finally, the embedded design, where the researcher combines collection and analysis of quantitative and qualitative data within a traditional qualitative or quantitative research design. And the purpose of this study design is to better understand a specific issue of a quantitative study using a qualitative sub-study, or to support qualitative study results using a quantitative sub-study. The integration of multiple forms of data can be done through merging data by reporting results together in a discussion section of a study, or by transforming one data set, for example qualitative data, so that the transformed qualitative results can be compared with the quantitative data set, or through connecting data that involves analyzing one data set and then using the information to inform the subsequent data collection, or embedding data when a data set of a secondary priority is embedded within a larger primary design. Several methodological challenges may occur during conducting mixed method design, since it requires extensive time and resources to carry out the multiple steps involved in the research process. The research team requires planning the integration of both varied methodological and disciplinary expertise, sampling issues involving having adequate sample size for analysis or using comparable samples, or analytic and interpretive issues. For example, findings from quantitative and qualitative results may conflict or be contradictory. Here is the checklist for reviewing mixed methods application. It consists of several categories, including significance, investigators, innovation, approach, and environment. Each category consists of several specific questions. Thank you, and please visit www.hsparent.ca to access a detailed handout about mixed method design and our library of research design videos and handouts.